Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're having a great day. So today we want to talk about the new release of our Bitcoin MYK options trading prediction game. We had a similar version of this game several months ago, and it just kind of you played the game, you predicted if the price will be over or under certain cryptocurrencies, and we did a variety of things from cryptocurrencies to polling data and a variety of things, right? And we stopped that game, and we've created this new game, which I think is going to be a lot of fun, especially for people who are interested in calling cryptocurrency prices. And we're only going to do it with the Bitcoin MYK token right at this point in time. We want to, in the beginning, keep the focus on the Bitcoin MYK token because at this point in time, we're trying to build a network and we want as many uses for this token as possible, right? So when you get this token, you should be able to come on this site, this platform, and you should be able to use it, have the ability to use it to spend it on things on the platform, from advertising to playing games to playing a prediction game. And next week, we're going to be releasing a trading card game. So that ought to be quite interesting. But let's talk a little bit about the Bitcoin MYK options trading prediction game for some of you all in cryptocurrency who can call prices of cryptocurrency. So the game is simple. You select the right over or under price of the Bitcoin MYK token. If you are correct, your payout is 100% contract price. If you're wrong, your contract will expire worthless. The contract runs 30 days. You will have the option to try and sell your contracts prior to expiration or let the contract expire, right? So what that basically means is that when you purchase these contracts, they're going to run for like 30 days. And then at which point you're going to have the option to, before the expiration date, you will be able to come here on the site and offer up a sales price for the contract. If you can get that price, then you can basically, exit that contract without losing all your money, your Bitcoin and YK tokens. Whereas if you are basically, get the price, you win 100% of the contract payout, right? So they come in different denominations. You're looking at the lows, the highs, the open close price and rates of the Bitcoin MYK token as of today at the market open and close. So that kind of gives you an idea of the trading range. Now, this is what a contract will look like. This is 10,000 Bitcoin MYK contract. And you see the strike price is at 0.008 steams dollars, right? So what that basically means is if you select below, such as this contract, for example, is done, then by December the 21st, that contract is going to be basically active to then. So now you have time to either come in and basically purchase that contract and hold that contract to expiration. Hopefully you can basically receive the 100% payout, which would mean if you bought a contract for 10,000 Bitcoin MYK tokens and the contract is executed below that price, in other words, it doesn't go over the 0.008, then you will receive an additional 10,000 Bitcoin MYK tokens, right? So you get that and 100%. So you receive 20,000 Bitcoin MYK tokens. Now, of course, in the event you don't, the contract will expire worthless, but you will have to the 21st. See if anybody else is willing to take on that contract, and you can put them in the section of the site where you'll be able to sell that contract. Now, looking at the type of contracts we're offering with your cryptocurrency, your Bitcoin MYK tokens, let's take a look here. You can buy 100 Bitcoin MYK contract above, which means you're going to receive basically 100 Bitcoin MYK tokens if you call the under or overpriced right. In this case, an above means it have to be above whatever that strike price is. 1,000 Bitcoin MYK tokens contract above. 10,000 Bitcoin MYK tokens above. And then if you believe it's going to be a low below, you can get the 100 Bitcoin MYK below, the 1,000 Bitcoin MYK below, or the 10,000 Bitcoin MYK below. Right? So this is offering another cool, fun way for you to spend your Bitcoin MYK tokens, right? So it's pretty simple. You need to put your Steem account, because remember, the Bitcoin MYK token trades on the Steem blockchain. That is because the transactions are not only fast, but they're free. You just check off the bus sign here. I understand it is a prediction game, right? Which means that these aren't real options. They're just prediction games using our cryptocurrency, all to the platform. You can acquire the tokens free. You just come on the site, do fun things, get tokens free. Join our UBI program, get tokens free every month based on the amount of hours you spend on the site. So if you spend 100 hours on our site in a month, you're going to get 100 tokens, right? And you would simply send the tokens to MYKOS, which is the account holder, my account holder name over on the Steem blockchain. You go use the Steem Engine Marketplace to do that. Right, you just log in with Steem Connect and you're able to do that. And that's pretty much it to the game. It's a very fun game. Just gonna be another opportunity, another way you can spend some of these Bitcoin MYK tokens, trying to create many uses for these tokens. Make sure you check out the website. You can see a variety of ways on how to purchase this token. Now, there has been some confusion about how to move along pages here, and we're working on the site constantly. But if you look right here, just go to the bottom of your screen, and here is a what looks like a power button. Just hit that button, and basically what it does, as you can see here, it opens up dozens of pages on the site, everything about the site, many pages, many things you can do, tons of things you can do on this site, many ways you can spend this token, right? So, if you're holding Bitcoin MYK tokens, you can do quite a bit with them. Have any questions, let us know. You can come here on the site, talk to us, live support. You can leave a comment here on the YouTube channel or over on our Discord channel. Come over there and join us, chat. That's all I want to say in this video. If you like content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, take care.